Good day, everyone. Welcome you all to our presentation from RMIT, RIPS. My name is Nam, and I'm here to introduce you to our team Circular Solution. Our team has 3 members, consisting of me, Hoang, Doan, and Phi Thai. We all study software engineering and all have experience working with 3D printing and laser cutting. As for our current situation, on the one hand, we have noticed an average of 24 million Vietnam dong, which is around 1,000 USD, each semester spent on purchasing 3D printing materials, also known as resin. This can bump up to 72 million Vietnam dong for each year. On the other hand, plastic waste on campus is currently quite excessive, with 675 kilograms of industrial plastic being discarded every single year. Quite a dilemma, huh? So what if we could solve one problem using another? Or how might we recycle the waste plastic and reuse them and laser cutting at RMIT, saving us the cost in the process? To investigate proper solution to this issue, we decided to conduct interviews on various responsible parties on campus. Notably, this includes Mr. Nguyễn Ho and his colleague Mr. Thị Nguyễn, technical officer who manage everything when it comes to 3D printing and laser cutting. The RMIT Property Office, which is the main source we use to obtain statistics on plastic waste discarded on campus. With our investigation, we discovered the following key facts. Up to 40% of plastic pieces are discarded after being processed, and in here, 80% of those are 3D prints. In total, 42 tons of plastic were discarded each year, and each liter resin costs around 3 million Vietnam dong. It may seem small, but if left unchecked, it just can amount to the heavy financial burden each year.
For our solution, we're introducing recycling industrial plastic service, and this is how it works. First, the industrial process will produce the plastic waste, and then we collect it and categorize it into reusable and non-reusable one. Next, we will disassemble it and then put it into the shredding machine to turn the plastic into tiny little bits. And then we will add bleach and other chemicals and to remove any unwanted materials. And then we will melt it into plastic liquid and then mold it return to a shape. That is where we'll be using for further laser cutting process. For environment, after categorizing, unusable plastic is treated while the reusable one is recycled to reduce waste. For social, free accessibility can motivate recycling and use of sustainable products. It is also educate students to have a circular mindset. For economic goal, it will reduce the need to buy new material because we already reuse the plastic for laser cutting. We also consider the impact of SDG with the effects on goal 12, 9, and 11.
So next we have the business model. So for the values, we're gonna recycle the 3D plastic and produce the material for laser cutting. So we will focus on RMIT and its student, and we will collab with Formlab, A+3D, and RMIT and 3D Smart Solution. So we also refer to Formlab, which also have the same idea and had been working for 10 years. So for the activity, we'll collect and process the materials under the supervision from staff, and we will provide the customer with quality feedback, tutorial workshop, and accessibility through social network and report form and awareness workshop. So for the key resources, we use the materials and facility from RMIT, and we also consider the cost that from human and energy resources and storage, operation, and research and development. And in return, we will provide the revenue in terms of slab for laser cutting, molded structure, and material saving. So here are the steps that we consider for our next operation. So we have 4 stages. For the first stage, we will plan with the property and sustainable development department. And for stage 2, we will construct the on-campus laboratory. And for stage 3, we will enhance the student knowledge on recycling plastic. And for the final stage, we will provide the maintenance for the service and also the annual report on the plastic recycle. So that's it for our presentation. Thank you for listening.